Alright guys, just wanted to change it up a little bit. Here's my dog Nova. Today we're going to be talking about how you can make money sitting on your couch at home doing absolutely nothing. So let's get into it. Before I break down exactly how much I made on YouTube with the car racing channel, I wanted to just say thank you to everyone who's watched my videos so far on this channel and who subscribed. I really appreciate it. We just started a couple days ago and we're already at 29 subscribers. So that's pretty cool. I'm just super thankful. I'm glad to be starting up this new channel and teaching people how to invest and make some more passive income online. Just to give a quick rundown, I started this channel when I was in college, and I basically just took a camera to my local racetrack and started filming cars racing in the quarter mile, and just basically stuck with it and kept putting up videos and going back and forth to the track. What I really liked about it was that I could go and take a bunch of videos at once. So instead of filming a video a day or something, I'd be able to go film maybe 50 races or 100 races depending on the night, and be able to kind of go back and edit them and have multiple videos that I could upload over time. That really helped me starting off on YouTube just because it was easier to make lots of content starting off and kind of get out there, get my name out there, and get a lot of content to put up. So as you can see, these are all the videos I've made. I tried lots of different thumbnails and seeing what got the most clicks, and that's kind of what you have to do with YouTube is you just have to experiment, see what works best for you. Everybody's going to have their own little niche that they fall into. But yeah, let's just show you, I don't know, we'll pick one of these and show you what it looked like and just kind of how simple it was. But let's check this one out. So just a little intro. This was one of my older videos I had a kind of crappier camera back then, but let's see, let's just skip ahead a little bit. It's a fast Trans Am, turbocharged. But yeah, I mean, you get the picture. Basically, we would just go to the track, film cars, and then upload the videos over time. So I'm gonna jump over to the back end of this channel and show you exactly how much I was making this last year, just doing nothing, because I haven't uploaded anything to this channel in a couple years. So I don't know if you have a YouTube channel or not, but basically the new YouTube Studio, it's like a little beta version. You just click on that, and once that loads up, all you do is you go to your analytics, which shows you how much, your views, your watch time, subscribers, and your revenue, estimated revenue. So I guess let's start off with views. Go last 365 days. So as you can see, it just kind of slowly has been dwindling since we haven't been uploading anything, but still maintaining roughly, yeah, about 900 to 1,000 views per day on this channel. The last 48 hours we have about that average, so 2,000, 1,000 a day. That's all from just being in the search rankings and basically getting YouTube to promote your own videos. I haven't touched this channel in over a year, like you saw. So the one negative that I've found with my channel is that my videos are very short. YouTube really likes when you get a lot of watch time on your video. They promote videos that get more minutes watched, and the longer your people stay on your channel, the longer people stay on your videos, the more YouTube's going to promote you. Um, Even though we haven't put up a video in over a year, we still were able to get 324 subscribers just from our old videos. I don't know how many of these are active now, and that's kind of the problem is I've grown over such a long time span that a lot of my subscribers are inactive. So I'm kind of starting back from scratch, bringing this thing back together. The good thing is that we have some videos that are doing, pretty well and are bringing in views, so I can use that to kind of keep the channel going and kind of get a kickstart back into life. So here's exactly how much we made over the past year. We made $621.45. This is me doing absolutely nothing. I have not put any videos up. This is all residual income. Whenever you break $100 in your AdSense account from YouTube, you get a payment. So I've made about 600, so every 2 months or so, I'd get a check for, anywhere between 105 to like 125. So there's a little spike. See, um, it's never, it's pretty consistent, but you get these little peaks and troughs. It's when people click on your ads, or you get some more ads put on your channel for some reason. You're going to get more or less money. Certain times of the year, you get a little bit more, like around Christmas, November. People are shopping online, and there's a lot more ad money getting spent. As you can see, right after December, it just tanks, slowly building back up. For me, it's just a lot of fun building something like this. I'm making money, but it's not enough to really pay the bills or do anything like that. Just kind of some fun side money. Let's see how much we've made overall. So lifetime. Let's do a quick little breakdown. So lifetime of this channel, we have 2,668,000 views, almost 2 million watch time minutes, 2,400 subscribers, and about $3,030 total over the last 5 years. So not a whole lot, but it's it's something. It's $3,000 is nothing to laugh at. It's something to look forward to, getting those little YouTube checks. So if you guys are interested in learning more about YouTube and learning how to grow these passive income streams, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. I'm going to kind of break down this channel a little more and show you guys as I'm attempting to rebuild it and be more consistent and put up videos on a more regular basis. We're going to try and see how big we can get this channel and how, the money, if we can get a little bit more money coming in. We're going to try and monetize a couple different ways as well. Basically, I just redid all my descriptions. So let me give you a little breakdown of what I'm trying to do as well. I'm kind of new to the affiliate marketing game, but I've been reading a lot about it, and I'm trying to implement it into my YouTube channels. So here you can see AutoHaven, one of our videos. I just redid all the descriptions from my old videos. Here I've got a link to my new channel to try and get some traffic diverted from this old channel into the new channel. And then I've put deals below. So I've signed up to be an affiliate for Tire Rack, Vivid Racing, and I'm also an affiliate for Amazon. So if anyone clicks these links and buys something on those stores through these links, I get a little percent, a little commission on that. I added some playlists here to try and get some more watch time on my channel to hopefully have YouTube start suggesting me again more. And then I just put a little link to subscribe. I'm going to follow and see if we're getting any clicks on those links and if we're getting any sales. I'm going to show you guys everything, show you exactly what's going on, and if any of these implementations are working for me. Yeah, so basically onto these last 2 weeks, I haven't really uploaded anything to this channel in over a year. So everything you see that I made on my earnings is all from residual income, passive income. I haven't done a thing to this channel for this, for the purposes of our new channel. I'm gonna rehash this channel and bring it back to life, and I got a new camera. I'm gonna go out and start getting more drag racing videos and try and get better quality and all that, and kind of improve it and see how we can grow it over time. See if we can get some more subscribers. My fan base is kind of dead just because this channel is so old. I started it how many years ago? What's the first video? I started this thing at least 4 years ago and kind of was off and on with it since the beginning. I never really pushed it too hard. Let's see. Oh yeah, 5 years. This looks like some of the first ones. Okay, so 5 years ago, first video, 2,000 views. But yeah, I basically, I started this thing fresh out of college or in college still, and just kind of toyed with it a little bit. Never got too serious. I would do really good for a couple months and like put up a bunch of videos and then take a couple months off, and I never really pushed it as hard as I should have. And I'm gonna try and start it back up and show you guys exactly what I'm doing with it and kind of just follow that, show you how much it makes and how much we can hopefully improve it and all that fun stuff.